Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take the macro photo with Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. So first of all, we'll need to open in camera, and here if we try to look for the macro mode, there won't be such option. But I found a way to make macro photos by going to the Pro mode, and right here change to telephoto. And then now pick the object that you want to take the macro photo of. In this case, let's go for our logo, and make sure it has a very good lighting, because it needs that to make a good quality picture like that. And now try to make the image stable. You can take your phone about 6-7 centimeters away from the object, and now zoom in. Adjust the photo and click on the shutter. And as you can see, we've just made the macro photo. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.